Welcome to today's weather video. We're talking about the temperatures, the warm temperatures on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, and also we'll be talking about the above average temperatures in America on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Some places can get up to 30 degrees above average on Christmas Day and Christmas Eve. So we'll be talking about the radar too, the potential snow in New England states too. So let's get started. Alright, everybody, so we got Christmas Eve, everyone, we could see during the day. We got temperatures in the mid 70s in Kansas, Missouri 70s too. In parts of Kansas is in the 50s too. And you can see in Oklahoma we got some 70s too. In Texas we got some 70s and 80s we can see also. Then we got places like Louisiana is in the 70s. Places, some parts of Nebraska is in the higher 60s, 69, 70 degrees. You can see in some parts of Nebraska on Christmas Eve and 65. In Colorado, we got some 60s and 70s we can see there too. We got places like Arkansas that's in the 70s too, and Tennessee and Kentucky is in the 60s too. Alright, everyone, this is for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Look at these temperatures. Look how above average they are. Got some places that are 27 degrees above average in Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, 28 degrees above average. You can see there. In Indiana, we got some 20 degree above average too. Then Arkansas, we get some 20 degree above average too. Texas got some 15 degree above average, in Iowa too. You can see in parts of South Dakota is 30 degrees above average too. Alright, guys, so I noticed a little reverse. So we got the morning of December 24th. We can see in parts of Oklahoma is in the 60s in the morning. We can see. I think this is like a 4 in the morning or something. I think it was. This is Kansas. We got some 50s too and 40s and 30s. It's like, look at all those temperature differences you can see there. Also, we got places like Tennessee that's in the 60s in the morning and 50s, and Kentucky, parts of Kentucky's in the 50s too. Pretty cool. Also, we got Louisiana that's in the 60s in the morning too. And also we can see parts of Arkansas in the 50s and 60s too, and parts of Missouri too. Alright, everyone, so we got our Christmas morning temperatures. We can see we got parts of Texas that is almost 70 degrees on Christmas morning, everybody. At like 2 in the morning, we got like 67 degrees in some spots, 64, 65, 66. That's pretty impressive, actually. Then Kentucky, we even got some 60s too in the morning. In Arkansas, Louisiana, 60s, Missouri, 60s, and parts of Illinois too, and Indiana is in the higher 50s too. You can see this a warm front thing too. You can see that. Alright, everyone, so we got our Christmas Day highs. Christmas Day is looking pretty warm and above average. You could have some parts of Kansas that's even near 70 degrees, and probably could get up to 70 degrees on Christmas. Missouri, we have some 70s and 60s. Illinois, the bottom of it, you're almost near 70. I wouldn't be surprised if we get to 70 on Christmas. In Kentucky, we even got some 60s and almost 70s too. Tennessee too. In Louisiana, we got some 60s. Texas, we got some 70s. In Oklahoma, we got some 70s too. In Colorado, we got some 60s on there. You can see too, and it says a lot of warm temperatures. Alright, everyone, it's time to talk about snow. I know nowhere's probably getting snow, but this is before Christmas. This is for Tuesday, December 20th over the New England state, so let's get started. Alright, everyone, so this is Tuesday, December 20th at 1 p.m. We can see some moderate to heavy snow potentially falling over PA, and a rain snow mix in PA too. You can see in New York, we got some moderate snow up there, the heavier snow you can see too in some spots. Also, you can see the New England states have snow too, like New Hampshire's in there too, you can see too. Also, pretty cool. Okay, so we got Tuesday, December 23rd at 4 p.m. Looks like the moderate snow bands, the heavy snow bands have also got smaller. You can see like it's not as much like falling. Got this is like the prediction for the radar for this day, like showing you like what the snow could potentially look like on the radar for this day. Looks like we could have light to moderate snow. We got Tuesday, December 23rd at 10 p.m. You can see the moderate to heavy snow band moving up into the New England states, more up towards Maine, upper New York state. You can see some moderate snow too. Also, you can see we have the lighter snow in Maine, and we got some mixing rain in part of New York too. And you could have some rain in parts of PA too that night potentially. We got Wednesday, December 24th at 4 a.m. everybody. We got some moderate to heavy snow in Maine at this time falling. Then we got some scattered snow, rain snow mix in upstate New York at that time too. Also, we got some rain, looks like over the ocean too by Maine. You can see there. That's pretty cool. Okay, everyone, we could see some snow in Maine also at Wednesday, December 24th, we're attending a moderate snow. You can see up there too. So it looks like, in my opinion, the snowing looks like it's going down a lot at this time. Got more light snow in New York, New Hampshire, places like that too. Also, then we got rain over the ocean too. That's pretty cool. Also, it's time to talk about our snow totals. Some places could get up to 10 inches of snow in Maine, we can see. Got maybe 10 to 12 inches in parts of Maine. And got places like New Hampshire that has a few inches of snow too. Then we got places in upstate New York that has a few inches of snow potentially, but this could change. In parts of Maine, we got a few inches of snow too. And also, this is pretty much where the snow totals leave you at. Some parts of New York, you got could have potentially 6 inches too in some spots. Looking like in Maine, we're gonna get our most snow. Thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe, notification bell, you never miss a video like this, guys. And I hope you learned something new today, guys. See you guys in the next one.